All right, NMC, this is the video to find the winner of break number 8, which is one of the 86 Fleer NBA cards. We'll check the time, August 14th at 7:22 p.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. We have August, there it is, August 14th at 7:22 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever comes out on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 7 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is John Spot 6 is our winner. So John, whatever we pull out of break number 8 tonight is yours. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, August 14th, 7:22 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.